All right, Trading Card Club live Friday, July 30th for our 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time break. We've got a Donruss Clearly Hobby Box. What's going on, everybody? Just going to give it a few minutes here for some folks to join before we get it started. This is the 4 p.m. Pacific Standard break with Donruss Clearly Basketball. Just going to give it about 2 more minutes, and then we will get it going. I like this one.
But the numbers everyone wants to know.
Yeah, I can just put a new one in once more.
Yet to see someone have a stronger arm than me. This is the game inside the game. It's a 93 right now. That's 95 plus. Let's slow our roll here in a little bit. What do I think my rating? Every rating release. Oh my God. That hurts. Yeah, you're sleeping on it. Let's reevaluate this thing. Zach Wilson, Justin Fields, Trevor Lawrence. Every dispute on the record.
He's not that much better than everybody else.
I know we talked about maybe having a throw off. If it's not a 99, I'm not satisfied. And every 99 revealed. 99 across the board. He could change the way this game is played for him. We break it down with some of the greatest to ever do it. You know why I'm here. This is the Madden Rating Special. And it starts now.
All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get this one started. We got the one Donruss Clearly Hobby. 4 packs to the box, 5 cards in each pack. Let's see what we can get here. Good luck. Let's go. Pack numero uno. Here we go. Gordon Hayward.
On a scale of 1 to 99, those ratings combined determine the most important number of all, and that's a player.
A-Train, yep. The Trading Card Club opening our shop. We don't have a date that we're opening, but Gilbert and Guadalupe, Gilbert, Arizona. It's coming.
Here we've got the Madden 22. These are the
Kawhi Leonard.
Look at this list. Quarterback Jalen Ramsey, of course.
CP3.
Once again, Patrick Mahomes, tight end Travis.
Hey, nice hit here for Sacramento. Tyrese Halliburton.
Let's start at Nina Kines. Which of the 99?
There you go, Chad. Nice hit there for Sacramento.
It's got to be Jalen Ramsey for me, really asserting his place last season.
Appreciate that, Aaron. Appreciate that, man.
Despite spending the entire season
And Precious Achua.
across the league, allowed just over 300 yards again over the course of a total season, the lowest of any DB. But he's not just a shutdown quarterback man in that defense.
All right, pack number 2.
Plays in the slot, incredibly versatile, living up to his draft.
All right, these packs are sticky. Come on now.
What's interesting about Aaron is this. He's been a marked man since the very
Domantas Sabonis.
beginning of the NFL with the Rams, and he is
LeBron.
taking his game to a higher
Oh, we got a little something behind him.
level of what he does in the offseason as far as
LeBron James. We got a My House. James Harden. Nice hit there for Brooklyn. Trey Jones.
Put in throughout the years. He is a special talent, a little bit more special than the rest.
And Nathan Knight.
Which is why he is nice.
Nathan Knight.
Intermediate, short or long routes, man to man, coverage zone. It really doesn't matter. He can play on the outside. He can play on the inside. You can put him at running back. That is the reason he's in
Well, there we go. And listen, a lot of corners around the league, we talk about Devontae Adams being one of their toughest coverage secondary types, right? Yes. All right, so those are let's talk a little bit more about these individual ratings when it comes to the wide receivers.
Rudy Gobert.
Adams is leading the list here for the receivers.
Well, here we go.
The 99 club.
We got numbers.
Just 1 point per
We got numbers and it's flipped. Let's see if we got autos. Got Desmond Bain.
followed by Julio Jones, Michael Thomas, and Keenan Allen.
Desmond Bain auto to 49. Nice hit for the Grizzlies.
And then D-Hop and Tyree.
I mean, D-Hop and Tyreek are also special with the
There we go. 13 of 49 auto. The autos aren't guaranteed on the Donruss clearly, so that's dope that we hit the auto. Here we go. Your MVP, your champion, purple, Giannis Antetokounmpo. Nice hit for the Bucks right there.
Let's go to him now, because we have him here in studio.
There you go, Tanya.
These hairs, Andre, and explain it to us.
There's a Peyton Pritchard. Nice hit for the Celtics there.
the level of competition that they faced and how well they did.
There you go, Pat.
They're very similar in athleticism and their ability to catch the football. They don't drop any
And Josh Green.
spectacular catches, but Devontae just has that edge in the route. And then for Tyree, he's incredible. He's special as an athlete, but he had 13 drops last year, and that's what's taken him down just a little bit.
Tyree had that drop that wasn't a drop. I don't know if you guys remember.
All right, last pack of the break.
Touchdown, so I don't know about that.
This one's a nice short and sweet one. 4 packs in this break only.
99 Best wide receiver, which by the way,
Got that new select that came out today. Going off in our next break at 5 p.m. So we want everybody in that one as well.
who I believe is the best quarterback.
Go, CP3.
Scoring that touchdown, Lewis remembers the one where he was in motion.
Kyle Lowry.
It really makes sense. I mean, Devontae Adams.
Got a green coming up next.
Incredible route runner, but
Got a green rookie. Numbered to 25. Theo Maldon. Nice hit for Oklahoma.
more about the hands and
There you go, Ray. Nice hit there to 25.
but each special in their own right.
Got Paul Reed
Yeah, and again, this is splitting hairs, as Andre explained.
and RJ Hampton.
What they need to work on to make it to the 99 club. They're that close.
All right, let's go ahead and go over the hits here. Hell yeah, Chad. Appreciate you joining those breaks. Hopefully we can definitely hit you something today. Got some pretty decent cards here out of the Clearly box. We had the Tyrese Halliburton.
Unbelievable. We're just going to keep something you have.
We had the LeBron.
Chad told me to do that. He told me you would like that if we talked
At the My House, James Harden. Desmond Bain to 49 auto.
about your old days together with
Purple Giannis.
forever. And we
And the Theo Maldon. We just saw to 25. Green Theo. Alrighty, everybody. As always, we appreciate you joining the breaks. Like I said, our next break is going off at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We've got the new Select Hobby Basketball. Hope everybody's able to join in on that one as well. Thank you guys for joining this one. Hope everybody has a good rest of their night.